Install the iLink on the stem or handlebar and securely fasten it using the rubber ties. Ensure it is firmly attached. Attach the cadence sensor to the inner side of the cycle left crank for best performance. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Open Airfly app and click the connection icon in the upper right corner to search for the iLink. Turn power on the iLink. The iLink ID will show on the app and click it to connect. Enter setup page to set the bike information and user weight.